Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic related to economics, scope of economics. The scope of economics can be defined as the range of topics and issues that the subject covers. Economics is a broad discipline that covers a variety of areas including microeconomics and macroeconomics and can be applied to many different fields. Microeconomics, the branch of economics, deals with the behavior of individual consumers, firms, and industries in the market. It covers topics such as market structure, demand and supply price determination, and consumer behavior. Macroeconomics, this branch of economics, deals with the overall performance and behavior of the economy. It covers topics such as economic growth, inflation, unemployment, and monetary policy. International economics. This branch of economics deals with the relationships between countries and how they interact with each other in trade and investment. It covers topics such as trade policies, exchange rates, and international trade follows. Public economics. This branch of economics deals with the role of the government in the economy. It covers topics such as tax policy, public goods and services, and the distribution of income and wealth. Development economics. This branch of economics deals with the economic and social development of countries, particularly those in the developing world. It covers topics such as economic growth, poverty reduction, and sustainable development. Environmental economics. This branch of economics deals with the relationship between the environment and the economy. It covers topics such as the impact of economic activity on the environment, economics of climate change, and sustainable development. Agricultural economics. This branch of economics deals with the production, distribution, and consumption of agricultural products. It covers topics such as farm management, rural development, and the impact of government policies on agriculture. In conclusion, the scope of economics is vast and encompasses many different areas of study. It includes microeconomics and macroeconomics, as well as applied areas such as international economics, public economics, development economics, environmental economics, and agriculture economics. These different branches of economics are connected by a common focus on the behavior of individuals, firms, and government in the economy.